The eclipses, the celestial alignments between the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun, continue to be one of the astronomical phenomena that arouse the greatest fascination among the contemporary public. Despite the fact that they no longer provoke the fear they aroused in ancient societies, they continue to mobilize millions of observers, amateur scientists, and professionals. These are willing to embark on long journeys to contemplate them. If you are passionate about eclipses and astronomy, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give like to this video. Here we will explore the history and science behind these fascinating celestial phenomena. Join us on this journey through time and space. The ability to predict eclipses is an ability that has evolved over millennia. Since ancient Mesopotamian civilizations, complex systems of observation and prediction have been developed that allow us to anticipate these astronomical events. Today, we will analyze how this practice has changed over time and its importance in different cultures. In ancient Mesopotamia, eclipses had a profound political and religious significance. For the Babylonian and Assyrian intellectual elites, heaven was a space of communication between gods and humans. This allowed celestial phenomena to be interpreted as divine messages, which influenced the fate of the king and his territory. Since at least the 2nd millennium BC, the Mesopotamian scribes systematically recorded celestial phenomena. These records included the positions of the moon, its phases, and especially eclipses. Over time, this accumulation of data allowed us to identify patterns and regularities in eclipse. Unlike the Greeks, who developed geometrical models of the cosmos, Mesopotamian astronomers used an empirical approach. They were based on numerical series and recurring cycles, allowing them to predict eclipses from systematic observation of the heavens for decades. Mesopotamic astronomy focused mainly on lunar eclipses, which were more frequent and easy to observe. Astronomers understood that these phenomena could only occur when the moon was near certain points in its trajectory, which facilitated its prediction. The eclipses were considered dangerous omens, especially for monarchs. The divination text described how the direction of the shadow and other factors could be interpreted as announcements of wars or rebellions. Therefore, predicting an eclipse was crucial for the protection of the kingdom. The continuity in astronomical observation led to an important advance in Mesopotamian science. The scribes noted the dates and characteristics of lunar eclipses, creating an unprecedented database. This allowed them to identify cycles such as the Saros cycle, which is fundamental in the prediction of eclipses. Although the Saros cycle allowed for the anticipation of eclipses, it was not enough to determine their local visibility. Over time, Babylonian astronomers made additional adjustments to improve the accuracy of their predictions, showing an advanced understanding of systematic errors. During the Neo-Babylonian period and the Seleucid era, Mesopotamic astronomy reached a high technical level. The specialists developed numerical methods and tabular schemes that allowed the prediction of phenomena without the need for continuous observation. This marked a significant advance in the history of astronomy. The border between astronomy and astrology was diffuse in Mesopotamia. Astronomers were also experts in omens, and their predictions had ritual consequences. This combination of science and religion led to significant advances in astronomical knowledge, showing the importance of precision in their prediction.